Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to perform the 8 types of redonda techniques that we are using. Okay, so in harness we have different type of sinawali, and one of those techniques is the redonda. So in redonda we have different type of strikes. In harness, the first one is the short strike redonda or the corto redonda. Then the next one is the long strikes redonda. The third one is what we call the reverse redonda. Then the fourth one is what we call the vertical redonda or the all tap redonda. Then the next is what we call the vertical or the horizontal redonda, which is the all sides redonda. And the next one is the hooking redonda, which is using hook strikes. Then we have the another one is the snap strikes redonda, and the last one is what we call the power strikes redonda. Okay, those are redondas that we have to learn this morning or today as our topic for harness. Okay, so I will first introduce to you what is the short strike redonda or the corto redonda. When we say short strike redonda, are those redondas that using short strikes. Okay, it using short strikes only. No, on how to perform this, now we have to assume our normal stance. Then we have the pugay stance. Then our fighting stance or the fighting position. Okay, from this position, we have to move our both hands forward so that we can execute the short strikes redonda. Okay, so this one is a short strike redonda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so when we do it continuously, it should look like this. Okay, so this is what we call the short strikes redonda, using the shorter strikes of harness. Okay, so for the next type of redonda, it is a long strikes redonda or the largo redonda. It is a largo that using long strikes, or it is what we call the swing strikes. Okay, so it is the long strikes redonda. Okay, we can see what are the difference between the short strikes and the long strikes. Okay, if the short strikes using only wrist strikes, okay, the wrist, then the long strikes redonda, we have to swing it in a maximum capacity of our harness. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the long strikes redonda. Okay, okay, that uses long strikes for its technique. So it is good for long distance strikings. Okay, so another strikes is what we call the reverse redonda. Okay, for the reverse redonda, it is what we call reverse because it uses the inverted or the reverse sequence of our redonda. Okay, so in our redonda, if we uses this type of strikes 1, 2, 3. In the reverse redonda, we are going 1, 2, then 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll do what is reverse redonda. Okay, so this one is what we call the reverse redonda. Okay, okay. So if you can observe, no, okay, from our starting position, okay, so we end up the same position, and to the other side, go back to our original position, same as in our regular redonda, no? Okay, if we are using 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is what we call reverse redonda. Okay, so for the next redonda, we are going to show you what we call the vertical redonda. So vertical redonda. Okay, so vertical redonda or the all top redonda. Okay, all top redonda, it is because it hits all the top portion of your opponent or the head, no? Okay, from the starting position, 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3, all top. Okay, so this is what we call vertical redonda. Okay, if you notice, it hits all the head of the opponent, or it is coming from the top, okay, when it delivers an attack. So this is what we call the top redonda. Okay, another type of redonda is what we call the horizontal redonda. When we say horizontal, it refers to the horizon, or it is the opposite of what we call vertical redonda. Okay, it is also called as the all side redonda. All side redonda because it uses strikes from the side or to the side of our opponent. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if we hit, okay, our opponent, okay, we hit in the side portion of our opponent using the horizontal strikes or the side strikes. Okay, so this is what we call horizontal redonda or the all side redonda. Okay, so another type of redonda is what we call the hook strike redonda. And when we say hook strikes, okay, it uses hooks when it hits our opponent. Okay, we are using hooks to execute our, okay, redonda. Okay, so this is what we call the hook strikes. Okay, so if you notice, we are using hooks to hit our opponent. Okay, so this is what we call hooking or the hook strikes redonda. Okay, so another type of redonda is what we call the snap strike. Okay, when we say snap strike, it uses snaps, no? Okay, snap strikes. Okay, so when we say snap strikes, we are using 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so okay, this is what we call snapping redonda. Okay, uses only snap strikes. Okay, all the technique we are using are almost snaps when hitting our, okay, opponent. So this is what we call the most controllable type of redonda because you are the one who are controlling your sticks. Okay. Unlike other redondas, which is swinging, we can't control, or we are hardly controlling, or we have hard time controlling our sticks. But in a snap strikes redonda, we are the one that controls our sticks directly to our targets or opponents. Okay, so another strikes or redonda strikes is what we call the power strikes redonda. Now when we say power strikes redonda, okay, we are using power strikes instead of snap strikes. Okay, we are using these strikes. Okay, so this is what we call the most powerful type of redonda. Okay, because it uses or it applies more power instead of speed. No? Okay, we are using power, or we are adding our maximum power in performing this type of redonda. Okay, so we have already our short strikes, we have our long strikes, we have our vertical, we have our horizontal, we have reverse, we have the hook strikes, we have already snap strikes, and the last is the power strikes. Okay, so this is on how to perform the 8 types redonda of arnis. Okay, so in some clubs or organizations, martial arts organizations, they are using different strikes. Now we have a lot of strikes of what we call double sticks or sinawali, but in our organization or in our clubs, we are using lots of strikes, including the 7 different sinawali strikes and the 8 redonda strikes. Okay, hopefully you have learned some more techniques in our today's video, and hoping that you will continue your support to our channel, so that we have lot of people could also learn in our channel. So for those who are not yet subscribed, hopefully you have time to subscribe our channel and to hit the like buttons and continue supports to our channel. Okay, so once again, just learn more so that you could be aware and you could compare those techniques that you have learned in not only in our channel but in some other channel, and train hard. By training hard, different skills, not only arnis, some other self-defense techniques, you could live safe, because whenever you go or wherever you go, okay, you could defend yourself or defend your loved ones by your skills. But remember to train hard, because okay, using those skills without training is dangerous. Okay, so once again, this is Rage Nova. Okay,
Once again,
okay.
thank you. Just learn more, train hard, and live safe. More power and God bless everyone.